Hi children, this is our science class. Good morning children. I hope you are all safe at home. Good morning children. Welcome you all. Today I am going to teach Unit 1, My Body Lesson Evaluation. First one, pick out the add one. First one, heart, legs, brain, kidney. HEC children, heart, brain, kidney or inner parts of our body. So the answer is leg. Second one, eyes, ears, fingers, lungs. Here eyes, ears, fingers are external parts of our body. So the answer is lungs. Third one, forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain, nerves. Here forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain are parts of the brain. So the answer is nerves. Second Roman letter. Complete the figure with words given in the bracket. Good, good touch and bad touch. So complete the bracket. What are the good touch? Kissing on the mouth is bad. Grandparents love, good. Getting the buttocks, bad. Pat of dad on head, good touch. Parents hug and kisses, good. Showing awkward pictures, bad. Next move on to third Roman letter. Find the answers from the following clues and circle the words on external organs. First one is internal organs. Already they marked internal organs. Heart is a internal organ. And then second one, organ that help us to breathe. Which one? Lungs. LUNGS, lungs. Third one, an organ removing waste from our body. Kidney. Fourth one, unfair and unhealthy touch is a bad touch. Good. Fifth one, every day we should drink more water. Good. Next we move on to fourth Roman letter. Say true or false. First one, head, hand and legs are internal organs. Is it true? No. Is it false? Second one, heart is made up of muscles. Yes, it's true. Third one, muscles are the soft parts that cover our bones. True. Fourth one, brush your teeth once a day. Is it true? No, it is false. We have to brush our teeth twice a day. That is the answer. And then fifth one, father batting you on your head is a good touch. Yes, it is true. Then fifth Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, dash is the commanding center of our body. Which one? The options are heart, lungs, kidney, brain. Which one is the answer? Brain. Second, food is converted to energy in the dash where? In the neck, heart, stomach, nose. Stomach. Yes, food is converted to energy in the stomach. Third one, every day we should brush our teeth 1 times or 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. Which one is the correct answer? 2 times. Good. Fourth one, good touch is a fair and dash touch. Good touch is a fair and dash touch. Options are A. Unhealthy, B. Bad, C. Unsafe, D. Healthy. Which one is the answer? Healthy. So good touch is a fair and healthy touch. Fifth one, drink a lot of dash every day. Drink a lot of dash every day. The options are A. Oil, B. Water, C. Packed juice, D. Salt water. Which one is the correct answer? Drink a lot of water every day. Understand, children? Next, sixth Roman letter. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First question, name the internal organs. Internal organ means inside our body. Parts are called as internal organs. Correct? So here see the internal body parts are stomach, lungs, heart, kidney and brain. They gave the pictures also. Isn't it, children? Then next, second one, what are the functions of the brain? The functions of the brain are, already we learned, brain controls all the activities of our body, correct? Yes, like moving our hand and leg, sitting or walking. And brain help us to think and perform all over activities because brain is the commanding center. Then third one, list out the food items for healthy mouth and teeth. First one, take plenty of fruits, vegetables and dairy products. Second one, drink water or milk instead of sugary juices. Third one, eat candy, cake and ice cream as less as possible. Do you understand, children? Then fourth one, how will you take care of your heart and kidney? And the answer is heart, avoid fatty food. Kidney, drink more water. Fifth one, what do you do when someone touches you and you feel uncomfortable? The answer is, when someone touches you and you feel uncomfortable, follow this. Say, don't touch in a loud voice. Leave the spot quickly. Tell elders, your parents or teachers till you get help. Okay, children, we have seen our body lesson evaluation. This one, read and write 1 time. Thank you, children.